In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download SimpleX Chat app on Android. First, let's get started by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, look for the colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag with a play button. This is your gateway to countless apps and games. Once you tap on this icon, the Play Store will load, displaying a variety of apps and recommended content. If you haven't logged in yet, you might be prompted to do so. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Google account details. This step is essential because it allows you to download apps and keep them updated in the future. Now that you are in the Google Play Store, the next step is to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is prominently displayed and easy to find. Once you tap it, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Here you will type SimpleX Chat. Be sure to spell it correctly to find the right app. This is important because there may be many similar apps, so accuracy is key. As you type, suggestions may appear below. After entering the name, you will see a list of search results. Next, select the official SimpleX Chat app on Google Play developed by SimpleX Chat Limited. Look for the app that has the correct developer name to ensure you are downloading the official version. It often features the company logo and maintains a high rating. This is a crucial step because downloading the official app ensures security and functionality. Once you've selected the app, you will see an Install button. Tap on this button to begin the installation process. The button is usually green and easy to spot. After you tap it, the app will start downloading to your device. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This little step saves you a lot of time later because it ensures that you have the latest version of the app installed. After the installation is complete, you will see an option that says Open. You can either tap this to launch the app immediately or find the app icon on your home screen. If you choose to open it later, simply swipe through your apps to locate the SimpleX Chat icon. Opening the app for the first time will often guide you through setting up your account. This is a reassuring point because you will be immediately ready to start chatting once you complete the setup. Congratulations, you have now downloaded the SimpleX Chat app on your Android device. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Remember, keeping your apps updated is vital for security and performance, so check back in the Play Store regularly. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and happy chatting!